This video shows how to run a test of population mean with Excel, which is also task A in the tutorial exercise week 10. Running a statistical test consists usually of 3 steps. Step 1 is formulate the hypothesis. So we will write the alternative hypothesis first. Alternative hypothesis can take 3 different forms: an inequality, or a large than, or a smaller than. And the null hypothesis always take the form of equality. So in the alternative hypothesis, we write what we want to know. We want to know if there's any evidence that the expected salary is not 51,000. And the second step, after we formulate the hypothesis, is to find the p-value of the test. This can be done in Excel. I will show you now in the following step. First, we open our data file. So we copy the data of salary into a new sheet. So by clicking on the plus here, we have a new sheet. So we can paste our data in a new sheet. So this is a test of 2 samples. We need to create an artificial data for 51,000. Yep. So just call it D, and then here is 51,000. The number of observations you want to have in the artificial data set is arbitrary. So you can have 3 or you can have more. So in our case, we have here 9 data points. Once this is done, we are ready to run the test. Click on data, click on data analysis. So in the pop-up window, we choose t-test 2 sample assuming unequal variance. Then click OK. So we need to input variable 1 range and variable 2 range. Variable 1 will be our salary data. I selected it from A2 to A301. Yeah, because we have 300 data points. So for the second variable 2 range, I need to select the 9 data points I created. Now I need to tell Excel where I want to have the output. I want to have the output in the same sheet and in the position E2. Then almost done. Just click OK. You get the output. So our task is now to interpret this output. The most relevant information is the p-value of the test, because our alternative hypothesis is unequal 51. This is a two-tailed test. Then this p-value is relevant. Yeah. So we need to copy paste this output and paste it into our Word document. So, And this is the p-value we found through running Excel. The next step is drawing conclusions based on the p-value. If p-value is less than alpha, which is usually 5%, it means if p-value is less than 5%, we will reject the null hypothesis. So you can write text like this. Because the p-value is less than 5%, the null hypothesis is rejected, implying that there is significant evidence that the expected salary is not 51,000.